Hi guys, I just wanted to give you guys a 2026 update here on the channel for Viktor's Reality. I'm going to be changing it up a bit. Everything will be connected or include monitors. But basically guys, it's time to play. Literally, ever since I've started the channel, I've seen my gameplay time dwindle little by little, getting smaller and smaller because I have to make a versus video or check out new monitors or the news. There's barely any gameplay videos, and that all changes here and right now. The good thing is, I might be making daily videos. So if you're into that, hit that subscribe button, as we'll get a closer connection in a sense, by me playing and benchmarking a couple of different games, newer games. Like here we're seeing with Screamer. This game is amazing on my 4080, and the performance is not too bad. But since the PC market is crazy right now, and for the foreseeable future, I will be including many PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, Project Helix, PlayStation 6, everything and all that. All the next generation consoles will be seen more here on the channel, testing them out on monitors, the best settings, or just giving my opinion on certain topics. You'll be able to see that here, basically daily, maybe even 2 times a day, depending on if there's a lot of new content or topics to talk about. But as I'm gearing up here for an ASUS vs Curry versus video, Curry's new Gen 2 monitor, nothing much has changed, but it goes toe-to-toe with the big boys, with ASUS, with Samsung, and I think Curry should be your next monitor you should give a try, with WOLED or Mini LED. But you've seen that here on the channel, check the playlist if you're interested. But from horror to racing, Forza Horizon 6 is coming out very soon, and I love me some Forza. I'll be displaying that on all the latest monitors here. I just got in the ASUS PG27AQWP, and I've had that for about a month and I haven't made a video. Again, I really want to use these products before I make a video. Nowadays, everyone just gets something, does an unboxing, and says it's the best and that's it. That's so fake, that's so phony. I really want to give you my deep feelings, and through testing with these monitors, I mean they are expensive. And with the PC prices and console prices, it's like PC versus console. I'll give you my opinion on both, and I have a ton of games at it, so it's time to play. I'll be making gameplay videos, with the monitor, without. I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of content here on the channel that you might want to check back daily. You might not be into the gameplay, but only to the versus videos, and vice versa. There's going to be something for everyone, and I'm going to let loose a little bit, and talk about my favorite games. Favorite topics. There's so much misinformation out there, so I'll give my 2 cents in. And when it comes to TVs or monitors, it's all here to help you make that awesome buying decision. Every single purchase you make should feel awesome. That's the whole point. If not, just stick with what you got and that's it. There has to be a visual improvement, and year on year, it's actually happening. QD-OLED and WOLED is improving, and now with next generation consoles and graphics. Example, with Nova Lake coming out, I have a 13700K, and I have been wanting to upgrade my PC for the channel for the longest now, and I think Nova Lake is it. I'm gonna get a Nova Lake with a 5090, so we'll be benchmarking that as soon as it arrives later in the year. I'm not sure if I just want to get a pre-built, like an Alienware 51, Area 51, or just build my own. I'm not sure yet. Depends on which is cheaper. That money back guarantee. But you guys have been asking for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X content, so with versus videos on monitors, the newest, latest, and greatest games, PSSR 2 looks phenomenal on the PlayStation 5 Pro. Is $900 too much? We'll have a topic on that, things like that. So I hope you tag along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, spread the word, let more people know Viktor's Reality is changing for the better. And as I do have some more free time right now, I do expect to have daily videos. And I'll be trying for the 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. time set, as I want to hit everybody. Sometimes some people can't watch at 12, but they're settling in at 6. So we'll be getting a lot of stuff in, and I do want to fill this channel with a lot of content, a lot of information to help you make that awesome buying decision and have fun while you're at it. That's the whole point. If I'm not having fun, it's not going to come across on screen, you guys are not going to have any fun, and then what's the point? So please friends, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, spread the word. Every subscriber, every like does help the channel tremendously. Affiliate links will be down below on every video, as it does help me bring technology to you faster than ever, and no cost to you. If you guys got any questions, feel free to always leave them down below. I'll get to it as fast as possible, and maybe I can make it like a weekly thing, a Q&A kind of video, answering questions with different monitors. I know many of you want the Curry best settings, so I'll be working on that very soon. I just got the Ultimia Shockwave X70 soundbar and a new Ewen motorized desk, so that's going to be pretty cool to showcase here on the channel. And especially if you have your TCL QM6K, QM7K, QM8K and beyond, you get what I'm talking about. My remote just cracked in half. I just, for whatever reason, broke it on accident, and I do have an official replacement for you, and I'll show you how to get it, where to get it, and all is good in TCL land, because you need that remote. Anyway friends, a lot of new content is coming here to the channel, Viktor's Reality. I truly appreciate everyone that has been watching my videos for all this time. We're close to 20,000 subscribers. So let's see if we can get to that as soon as possible. Who knows how much further we'll go? It all depends on you guys, and of course, on the content I provide. So I want to give you more information, more fun. This channel has to be funner. You get what I'm saying? And that's what I'm going to strive to do here for you all to help you make that awesome buying decision. Yes, I know I said that for the third time, but it is true. Once again, friends, thank you for your support. Thank you for everything you've done here for the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.